Morning, everybody. How we doing? How's your long weekend? Oh, there's nobody here. That's all right. Hope it was good. Happy Thanksgiving. It looks like the sun's shining through the window right on my face, but it's all right. How's everybody doing? You ready for the trading week? Because I am. Holiday's over. Time to get back to work. Good times. Good times. Looking at our daily levels today, it appears that off the daily that we are on a bullish bias today, of course, which makes sense after Black Friday and all that mumbo jumbo. Cyber Monday today, especially the NQ is likely going to climb quite a bit, looking at levels 21,300 for any kind of turning point back the other way. Of course, there's a disclaimer in the bottom in the description. Trading futures is risky. Do your homework. Don't just push buttons and gamble and be a degenerate. It's probably the healthy choice and in your best interest, in your family's best interest. Try to just be smart, and be patient. That is not my line. Another very good trader on YouTube uses that line, which I like it a lot. I think about it every time before I click a button. Thanks a lot, Matt, being in my head all the time. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. You got 11 minutes to market open. Things looking good here. Overnight highs were approximately 21.10. Then I consolidated all night, it looks like. 21.10 was about what? 21.05. About what it closed at Friday evening. We just went up past that and retested already. And we have liquidity at 21.050. And then the next one from there is 21.100. We do have liquidity up higher in a couple of levels, it looks like. Big liquidity at 21.100. And we have big liquidity down at 28.87. But beyond the higher bias, I believe we'll probably go up to the higher first. We'll see what opening does. I always stay out least for the first half hour of opening, and try not to trade it unless it's super obvious. And the fair value gap certainly points at should be getting in, but a lot of times it moves so fast it's pretty risky getting in there, especially if you have a threshold. Trading prop firms like myself, which if you don't trade prop firms and you don't have a big wad of cash in your pocket, you should probably think about checking them out. There's a few really good ones out there. Just do your homework on who you're using. Use somebody credible so that you don't get robbed. I have a couple good pivot points. Resistance now, support is at about 29.40. So it is possible to come down and retest that level before we go up again. Anything's possible, though. If anybody could predict this market, they would. It's going to be a good day. I was going to think it was going to be a good day. Always. It's just a good idea. Jam's going here. I'm sure everybody's anticipating this open. Like I said, I'm by myself, new to this live thing, so I don't have a bunch of followers. Basically just do the moment journal, and hopefully one of these days some of y'all will join me and we can feed off each other and become better traders. I'm now at the 6-month mark myself, right? Just over the 6-month mark and just becoming profitable. So remember, you got to stick with it, be patient with it. Otherwise, you just might never get there. Anything that makes money costs money or time. Stress, hardship, comfort is the enemy. It just doesn't fall in your lap. You have to learn it. You have to work at it. You have to do it. You have to do it. You can't just watch YouTube video after YouTube video and expect to be a pro right away. It just does not work. Nothing works like that. If you found something that works like that, you let me know, please. It's going to be a great day, though. It's going to be a great day. It's going to move. Everything's going to be nice. It's looking lovely. VWAP's at 29.80 right here before open. Obviously, that's going to move. Got value area high is 21.018 at the moment. Mid is 29.92. I can't see the low on my screen at the moment, but you can figure it out if you know the mid and the high, though. This is my 15-minute chart, by the way. Let's see how many days we go back here. We got a couple days here. There we go. As you can see, we bounced off that 20.010 mark a couple of times, and then we has turned from resistance to support. We are on a high. We are in bullish bias today, even though we've already hit or matched the high of the previous day. So It could turn the other way. 980-ish. Just trade smart. Be patient. My Apex code is in the description for the best discount always. If you don't use it, then they don't have to pay me for it. You just give them all the money. Help your local YouTuber out. Just use my code, gives you the best discount. You don't want to pay full price anyway because it's an immense discount. I believe it's still 80%. Don't trade into the news, which there's a lot of today. Let's look at it real quick. We have 9:45 US S&P manufacturing PMI, and then at 10, this is all in Eastern time, is US ISM manufacturing PMI, and you got manufacturing prices, and we got construction spending at 10. We got a bunch at 10. Manufacturing, construction, new orders index. Then at 11:30, we got 6-month bill high yield, US bid cover to cover, and US bill high yield, bid to cover, all at 11:30. So quite a bit of news this morning between 9:45 and 11:30. It's recommended not to trade into the news. Wait to see what happens after the news. Again, be patient. We'll talk to y'all soon. I'm out.